Now, most of y'all know that I don't do very many product review videos. But I got something from a friend of mine, and you will recognize his name when I tell you who it is. I know it's something that you want to look at, and I think it might be something that you want to have in your possession. Okay, so why all the intrigue? What is this thing? Well, it is a combination of two things. It's a flashlight, and you may say, I just don't need another flashlight. And guess what? I don't either. I have got several of them, but this one is more than just a flashlight. This is a stun gun, personal protection stun gun flashlight. So let me tell you a little bit about it and tell you why you might want to have it. Okay? Obviously it comes in two colors. I've got a blue one and I've got a black one. I was given one to review it from a friend of mine, and you know him probably. His name is David Gilmore, but he is LDS Prepper, has a huge YouTube channel, and it's from a company that he has. And this product is something that I think I will carry with me. Again, it's a flashlight. I have flashlights that are brighter than this. It's not a really bright flashlight. You can't really see on camera how bright something is. It says it's 150 lumens. But where it shines, no pun intended, is the fact that it's a stun gun. I'm going to show you how loud it is. I'm going to show you the stun gun, but let me just give you a little bit more information on it first. The stun gun is 4.8 million volts. It is compact, as you can see. It's not very big. The bezel in here is where your stun gun is. Two different sides, here and here. That's where your stun gun, the electrodes for your stun gun. And here's the button for your stun gun. And yes, it has a safety switch. I can push the button right now and it won't fire. But when I flip that safety switch, it will. So it's safe to use as just a flashlight until you need the stun gun. Until or unless you know. Hopefully we'd never need. Compact, it's easy to use, kind of foolproof with the safety switch. It's rechargeable. That's where you recharge it. It comes with its own cord. Looks like it's probably a mini USB cord. And you can charge it for about 10 hours as soon as you get it. I found that mine came pretty much fully charged, but charge it before you use it. Again, the safety's built in. It's got a 60-day guarantee on it. So if you don't like it, send it back. Now what they're doing is offering this free right now. And all you have to do is pay shipping. Now, shipping is $9.97, shipping and handling. And I know some of you say, well, that's a ripoff. You know, that's what people do to rip you off, is charge shipping and handling and blah, blah, blah. Well, okay, let's say it is. Let's say it shouldn't be a ripoff. You're still for $10 getting a taser and a flashlight for $10, even if you want to have that mindset. $10 is pretty cheap for what this thing will do. Again, it's rechargeable. You don't have to buy batteries for it. It's made out of an alloy material. It's could be a weapon in itself, striking someone with it if you had to. But let me show you the taser part of it, okay? And I've got a dB meter on my other phone, and I'm gonna show you how loud this thing is, or try to show you how loud this thing is. First of all, let me show you the taser. There's the switch. Flip it on to taser. There's the button. Watch. Now, I've got a dB meter on my other phone. Let me show you how loud this thing is. It's around 30 dB in the room as it is. Now watch it jump with this a foot away. $115 dB. That is loud. If nothing else, that would scare the crap out of somebody. It would me. If somebody was coming at me with that and hit the button on that, that's loud. So this may be something you're interested in. Again, it's offered free with $9.97 shipping and handling. I've got a link below to it. LDS Prepper. You've probably watched many of his videos. It's Patriot Wholesale, and they have a lot of products to sell, but this one is the one that he wanted me to try and to do a review on. So I've tried it. Now, I'm not stupid enough to try this on me and show you that it'll knock me down, okay? I'm gonna turn the safety on right now before I do something stupid. So I'm not gonna try it on me. I'm not gonna try it on a dog or a cow or anything else. But I'm telling you, 4.8 million votes is a lot of votes. And I don't want any part of it hitting me. So what I'd like for you to do is click on the link below to this product on their website. Check it out, see what you think. Again, free, but $9.97 shipping, so it's costing you $10. 60-day guarantee. If you don't like it, send it back, and it might be something that you would like to have. Again, the flashlight is not the best in the world. It's not terrible, but I have some flashlights that are a lot brighter than that. So if you are like me and you have a license to carry a weapon, which I do, this makes a lot of sense when the places you cannot carry a weapon, or if a situation comes up that you're put into and you know the last thing you want to do is pull a weapon and have to use it. So if at all possible and you can use this instead, man, I'm all for it. So it's pretty cool. It comes in apparently 2 colors. It also comes with a pouch for your belt. It comes in 2 colors, and I'm telling you, that's pretty mean. I got to remember to turn that safety off. And the lights. All right. I've got 2 of them. I liked it so much. He gave me one. I bought one. So I don't buy stuff that I don't believe in. And I wouldn't pitch it to you if I don't believe in it. So anyway, give it a try. See if it's something that you would like. At least go to the website and look. And for $10, man, you can't buy nothing for $10 anymore. Again, got the carrying case where you can strap it to your side. And very unassuming. If you did get in a situation and you had a flashlight, no one would think it was anything but a flashlight until you decide to do some business with it. Okay? So go to the website, look below, use the link that I'm showing you, and that will let him know that I sent you and that his faith in me is well placed. And then if you think it's something that you could use, get one. Again, LDS Prepper is one of the bigger names on YouTube with preparedness and prepping and all that stuff. And this is just one of the products that he's offering on his website. So check it out and check out some of the other products too. I think you'll like it. And if not, didn't cost you anything, right? All right. We're gone.